이 얼마짜리 아이스크림! 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 안녕.
Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm trying to draw Felix from Stray Kids. To be honest, I don't usually draw people. I enjoy painting landscapes. You can figure it out from my channel. But recently my favorite K-pop band had a comeback and I wanted to draw someone from the band. My choice was Felix. I like his look in this era. It's hard for me to draw people.
Wait. We might get in trouble. We might get in trouble. Okay, let's be honest.
Don't judge me harshly. So far it looks creepy.
What's up?
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
First I try to fill the space to see the portrait as a whole. Now it doesn't look very similar. I realized at this stage that things weren't going according to plan. I understood that I had a trouble with proportions. I tried to fix the situation, but it wasn't very good doing it.
김경희님.
Then I had a nervous breakdown. I decided I wasn't going to make it, and so I wouldn't pause this video.
You are fired!
You look like.
Close your mouth.
Bonk.
Let it go, let it go.
Bonk.
Oh my god, you made a mess.
A few moments later.
When my nerves calmed down, I tried to make things better, but I didn't film that.
No.
So my thousands of attempts to make things better went behind the scene. But I still achieved a more or less acceptable result. And then I decided to finish the drawing on camera after all.
Like, mate, stop procrastinating. Yeah.
One hour later.
This is the result I got. Compared to what I was getting at first, I'm happy with the result. But I don't think it turned out very similar.
Awesome. But I think ugly.
Your behavior is so
Do you think the portrait looks like Felix?
Hey, Felix! Hey! Hey! I got your imposter!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would be happy to have your likes and subscriptions because it supports my channel.
Hey, 고맙다!